If you're an iPhone user looking for the best eSIM for travel or even everyday use, here's a quick guide to help you decide, and why Saily is one of the strongest choices right now. Most modern iPhones support eSIM, starting from the iPhone XS and newer. As long as your device is unlocked, you can add a travel eSIM in just a few taps. And this is exactly where Saily makes the whole experience simple and stress-free. With Saily, there's no searching for physical SIMs, no roaming shock, and no confusing setup. You just select your destination, pick a plan, install the eSIM through the app or by scanning a QR code, and it activates automatically when you arrive. It also works perfectly with the iPhone's dual SIM feature, so you can keep your regular number active while using Saily for fast travel data. Saily is also one of the highest-rated eSIM providers out there, with over 97,000 reviews and a 4.7 out of 5 rating. The app is very iPhone-friendly, installation is quick, and you can manage everything from one place, including top-ups, plan tracking, and future trips. Before you buy, just double-check two things. First, make sure your iPhone is unlocked. And second, you can see the Add eSIM option inside your settings. If both are there, you're good to go. If you want a reliable, affordable, and easy-to-use eSIM for your iPhone, Saily is absolutely one of the best options to consider. And to help you save a bit extra, I've added my 15% off Saily link in the description. It works globally on every plan. Stay connected, travel smarter, and enjoy the freedom of eSIM on your iPhone.